Almost there. Ah, she's at 1/10 of a mile.
Hi Jeff.
Hello, Lil.
Say welcome to the channel.
Welcome to our channel. Lil likes watching me do things.
Okay, Jeff is, well, unbox the
I'm unboxing a treadmill
of Carol. Because Carol,
for my mom.
yeah, because beginning today, Carol will,
She'll start walking and using her new treadmill.
yay! There you go.
Well, they put the tape over the straps. I want to make sure the box stays intact in case she wants to send it back. Because it has to go back in the same box.
Oh, the same box.
Yeah.
But Carol will pay for the shipping fee if
No.
she wants to return. Oh, that's
They
good.
pay for it. They pick it up. Go back free of charge.
There came with free shipping anyway.
Wow, wow.
Yeah, here's a safety tip.
Huh?
You always, whenever using a utility knife, you always pull it away from you, not towards you.
Oh,
Because if you pull it towards you, it gets caught on something.
it will hurt
It
you.
pulls back and it releases. Don't
Baby,
touch
you're
it.
so smart.
Well, it happened to somebody that I know. I kept telling him not to pull it towards him. This is, a manager, and he was unboxing some inventory. His name was Steve, and I told him, I said, Steve, I said, don't pull the knife towards you. Go away from yourself. Well, next thing I know, he was calling me, and he had sliced his leg open.
Oh my god.
So bad, the skin was folding out.
Ew.
Yeah. We had to rush him to the hospital. I had to fire him.
Why?
Because he wasn't showing up for work on time, and there's some other things that he wasn't doing properly.
Because of his what?
His work performance.
He cut his self?
No, it had nothing to do with him cutting himself. It was his work performance.
Oh, his work performance.
That was just a stupid accident, He learned from it, I'm sure. To this day, I'm sure he's got that scar. Because it was deep. And it took, I think it was like 26 stitches to close it up.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty bad. Right?
All right.
Ready to lay it down.
Ouch, ouch. I like the color.
Yeah, the color's nice.
Yes.
Blue. Fitnation. Oh, it's Fitnation Slimline. Oh my god, Slimline. What's a Slimline means?
That's the name of the treadmill. Slim.
It's like it's slim.
Because it's slim.
Where did you get this
Mom's favorite channel.
QBC?
Yeah, I think she has stock in QVC.
Carol like to shop in QBC. The TV. But in personal, it's like a little bit.
Compared to other treadmills,
Yeah.
it's skinny.
Yeah, it's skinny.
Here.
It's sexy.
I want to utilize the wheels.
So you will be like motivated.
Work smart, not hard.
Huh?
You work smart, not hard.
See how thin it is? Now that's very
See that?
Yeah.
That's called working smart. Everything's already.
It's so cute. It's like you are motivated to what? Exercise because
Yeah,
you know
it's
the
nice.
treadmill looks slim, so you want like the treadmill.
And what I like about it is everything's put together already. There's no assembly, which is nice. That's a nice feature when you're purchasing this. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift this up and then you pull the bag off, okay?
All right.
Alright, we're unpackaging it. And this thing comes pre-assembled, so it's really nice. Lifted it out of the box, we utilize the wheels that are on the bottom. I'm under the belief of work smart, not hard.
They can see you, baby. They can hear you.
Yeah, that's okay.
Wow. It's finished.
Yeah. And I'm sure this releases somehow.
Wow, I like it.
Yeah, it's a nice unit. But most importantly, Mom's gotta like it. But I gotta figure out how to release it before I force it. I'm thinking there's a release on here somewhere.
Check the manual.
Warnings. Treadmill. Warnings.
Demonstrate it, baby, how you do.
I knew that lever had something to do with it.
You just step that.
Yeah, you just step down on it.
Oh yeah. Like that.
Yeah, and it locks in place.
And then step.
To release it, step on it.
And then pull. That's it.
And there you go.
There you go. IR, IR.
Where?
IR. IR. Distance, speed,
Oh, calories.
calorie.
Oh, that's cool. It's got a little remote control with it too. See?
Put it up on TV. That's what they said.
There's a remote control also.
Time for your pulse, let's say. Or something. I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know. For the pulse, I think.
Means you will put the remote here.
That's what I'm thinking. That's my thought.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right, baby. See?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Doesn't feel like it's tight. It's in there that tight here. No, don't go like that.
No.
I don't know what that's for. Maybe it is. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a what
Is there a little
magnet.
bit of magnet to it?
Yeah, there's a
that's what I was
magnet.
wondering. Okay.
So the other one, maybe this one. See, there's a magnet. Oh, see, put it here.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh wow. What's this for?
I don't know. Have to look it up. See what they utilize that for.
There's
So
a
there's just
remote,
clip.
and there's a magnet here, so it will hold. And this one is for, what's that for?
Oh, that's kind of cool, huh?
Don't break it, baby.
No, it's supposed to spread like this, but I don't know if it'll work with a case on it. You know?
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Phone is smaller than yours, I guess.
No, it's the same.
It's the same. Remove the case.
But
Do you think this is for the phone?
yeah, it is for the phone.
Oh wow.
You go like this.
Oh, so tight.
Yeah, this should be, because you don't want your phone to fall.
Oh wow. And then you will do like
Yeah,
that.
they can adjust it like that. Kind of cool, huh? It's a nice system.
But I wonder why this one is, like that.
Well, it just moves a little bit. That's all right. There's nothing wrong with it moving, as long as it doesn't collapse. It's a tether. I'm just guessing.
What's the other? Number 4 here.
Yeah, it's a safety clip. It says it needs to be turned off immediately. Remove the safety from the handlebar. Treadmill will automatically stop. Yeah. So when this disconnects, it'll stop the treadmill.
Oh, if this one
Yeah.
is like, if you
Yeah.
disconnect
Yeah.
this.
So what you want to do?
You will, fold down.
Right.
Then oh wow.
Treadmill stops.
Yeah, and
Yeah, it's just a
connect
safety
into your,
feature. Right.
that's good.
Yeah. They should have a spot for you to put the clip though.
Oh, well, this is for cleaning,
Yeah, for lubricating the machine.
lubricating the machine.
Yeah, pull that out for me more.
Go, go,
I'm
go.
so used to remember I had to step up high on the other.
You should wear, I think you should, Carol should wear sneakers. Oh, what's that?
Turn this
Shoes?
thing on.
You want me to turn?
Yes, please.
Oh, not that remote.
No, this doesn't work up here.
Baby, it's not turning.
That's just the magnet.
Huh?
I'm even trying to turn it on. Oh, leave that on. It's got to be on to. Here.
You have to flip it on first.
No, there's a turn on here, power.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah. Then remote.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Don't tell me it doesn't work.
It works. It's need time only. See?
It's hit the power.
Oh.
Oh wow. You go fast.
Well, yeah. But
Oh, wow.
We should have does have done
Yeah, it's
the
got
timer on it.
Yeah.
Where's the timer, baby?
Over here on the left.
Oh, yeah.
Distance. That's not a timer.
Well, you know what.
Distance,
It
calorie.
doesn't have a timer. I
No,
can't
it's got
see it.
speed, it's got calories, and
I burned 1 calorie.
You burn 1 calories,
calorie.
Carol.
Yeah, I burned 1 calorie so far.
your timer is that clock.
Okay, thank you.
Or you can set the timer on the anything. You can
No,
set it
I
on
just
the-
thought it. I thought maybe it had a timer.
Oh, you're your timer.
How many calories is the what?
2.
2. Oh, you lost 2 calories now.
Burning 2 calories in a minute.
Well, how do you like it?
I like it. It's
You like it?
Well, she likes treadmills more than anything.
yeah, I do.
But this here,
I know you said that doesn't hold.
I mean, you
that
just,
well.
it does, but
It
Just
does.
put it there, the remote. Boy, 34. What's 34, baby? Miles? 35? What's that?
Where?
The distance.
that's distance.
So what's that 37 means? 37
well,
what?
37 means she hasn't gone 1/10 of a mile yet.
No, and I burned 3 calories.
She's at a 1/2 almost.
It's I mean, the one you had at home was 4 times bigger than this one.
Yeah, but it does the same thing.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, I know. I was
The
getting
only
ready to
difference
say.
is it doesn't incline.
Yeah, that's okay.
No.
So slim, like.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a well-designed unit. Because
Yeah.
why it's slim is so people can hide it like under their beds. You getting winded yet?
Wow, you burn 5 calories, Carol. You are 64
Tenth
distance.
of a mile.
She's not even
What's
at 10th yet.
1.0, baby?
She's not even at 0. She's not even at 10th yet.
What's 1.0?
Where?
Here.
Oh, that's the speed.
Oh, the speed.
Yeah. Whatever they monitor. Probably 1 mile an hour. Get caught, and that's why it's there. I used to wear it on the machine that I used to have.
How you like it?
No, I like it. It's nice.
So far, Mom gives it 5 stars.
5 star?
She gives it a thumbs up. And she's almost at 1/10 of a mile. She's almost there. Ah, she's at 1/10 of a mile. Whoa.
Gee, I went a whole 10th of a mile. Hey,
Well, at least you got a window.
You should
look
put
out.
this, Carol, because just in case you lose in what, then it will automatically
Shut off.
shut off.
I know, but I don't want that.